Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the scheduling page of TIAS, which stands for TIAS is a scheduler. There's clearly a lot going on this page, so let's break it down. The central pane displays 5 different columns, Monday through Friday, which correspond to the different days of the week. They're filled with colorful blocks, which represent a lab to which peer teachers can and should be assigned. On the left-hand side, there's a panel that displays all of the peer teachers, which can be sorted by their first or last names. Along the bottom, there's a filter that displays all of the courses that are visible in the central pane. If one wants to simplify the view, one can hide courses. Like for instance, I can hide CSCE 221 by clicking on it. One can also click the Show None button on the far right-hand side of the filter to make all of the courses disappear, and then select the courses one wants to view along the bottom. The peer teachers themselves are marked with a check mark, which means that we wish to schedule them. You can uncheck peer teachers in order not to schedule them. I'll now click Generate Schedule. Generating a schedule causes Amazon to perform a scheduling algorithm that the team has designed that assigns peer teachers to the labs. It biases towards higher course numbers like 331, 315, and 314. And biases against lower course numbers like 110. The idea is for students in these higher courses to be scheduled so that the courses are guaranteed to have a peer teacher. We can see that a lot of courses are unscheduled. These are the ones that are marked in construction colors. They're unscheduled purely because there's a lack of manpower. We don't have enough peer teachers in the system. However, you can manually schedule to fill the gap. I'll regenerate with every single peer teacher. So now we have slightly more people in the schedule, but we still have a lot of gaps. So let's click the Edit Schedule button and we can make manual changes. The entire panel will outline in blue, and that tells us that we're in edit mode. So in edit mode, you can go to a course, select it, and select a person and schedule them to the course during that time. So I'll just fill in these people right here. There we go. So we've now scheduled all of the courses at this time. So you can just go about filling in people that you would like to be assigned to courses during these times. And they're outlined in blue because the changes haven't been saved yet. You can hit the Save button and it saves the changes to the system. So if I hit the Save button, they are now saved as being assigned to those courses. In general, when you generate a schedule, it's a local copy until you hit either the green Save button or the purple Save button, in which case it will go to the server and get saved. When it's saved in the server, the students can actually see the courses to which they're assigned, but saving a schedule deletes any outstanding trade requests that they have. So only save a new schedule if you're sure that you like it more than the old schedule. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial on the admin page.